A full English quiz with 40 mixed questions. Challenge yourself and find your score. Pick a synonym of lucid. Answer D, clear. Which is a synonym of cross? Answer A, traverse. What is the opposite of wet? Answer C, dry. What is the opposite of urban? Answer B, rural. What does walk on eggshells mean? Answer A, careful. What does throw someone under the bus mean? Answer B, betray. Plural of aircraft? Answer A, aircraft. What is the plural of ticket? Answer C, tickets. Fill in the missing word. Answer B, they accused him of cheating. She reminded us arrive early. Answer A, she warned me about being late. What does IDK stand for? Answer D, I don't know. What is the second form of forgive? Answer A, forgave. What is the second form of forbid? Answer D, forbade. What is the second form of freeze? Answer B, froze. Which option is correct? Answer D, patience. How is this word spelled? Answer C, reason. Opposite of grow. Answer D. Decrease. Opposite of hungry? Answer B. Full. What is the opposite of strict? Answer B. Lenient. Which word is a synonym of baby? Answer C. Infant. Pick the synonym of subtle. Answer B. Delicate. What is the synonym of wretched? Answer A. Miserable. What does burn bridges mean? Answer C. End relationships. What does make ends meet mean? Answer A. Manage financially. What does clear the air mean? Answer C. Settle a dispute. What is the plural of toothbrush? Answer B. Toothbrushes. What is the plural of bakery? Answer C. Bakeries. What is the plural of diary? Answer A. Diaries. What is the plural of alley? Answer D. Alleys. What is the past tense of forecast? Answer A. Forecast. What is the past tense of send? Answer C. Sent. What is the past tense of prove? Answer A. Proved. What is the second form of quit? Answer B. Quit. Fill in the missing word. Answer D. She is tired of repeating herself. Which word is missing? Answer C. We succeeded in saving enough money. Which word is missing? Answer A. She believes in herself. How is this word spelled? Answer D. Separate. Which spelling is correct? Answer A. Conscious. How is this word spelled? Answer C. Equipment. Which option is correct? Answer B. Foreign. Congratulations! You did a great job! Tell us your score in the comments. Like and subscribe for more quizzes.